Do you remember the last time a brand gave you free coupons in hopes that you would visit their store? Whether or not you ended up getting anything, you were probably more likely to drop by and check out their products. In crypto, projects can use airdrops to achieve similar results. An airdrop is when a project sends their tokens to a selected list of wallet addresses for free or in return for a small service. Airdrops can sometimes be a way for users to earn additional income for little to no cost. If you're lucky, it can feel like money is falling from the sky and straight into your wallet. Projects use airdrops as a common strategy to attract users during its early stages, which can be one of the most challenging times for new projects. By getting users to interact with the product or service, a project is able to slowly build its user base, showcase its abilities, and develop based on feedback. Giving newly minted tokens to these early users is how projects can recognize and reward their efforts. At the same time, it also promotes awareness and circulation of the new token. While airdrops are sometimes classified into different categories, they all roughly involve the same thing, which is rewarding those that have gotten involved with the project in some way or other. This might include a variety of criteria, such as users who have performed certain tasks on their platform, following the project's social media accounts, holders of specific tokens, or even past contributors or key figures of a project. Nowadays, it's common to see projects run campaigns that combine multiple eligibility criteria. So, how do you get an airdrop? The project team will typically announce the airdrop details and criteria to participants through their official channels or community platforms. However, occasionally there are also airdrops that happen without any official announcements from the team, rewarding users retroactively. Though, do watch out for scams. A points-based system has also gained popularity recently, where projects run campaigns and users can perform tasks to earn points from the project, with the expectation that they will be converted to a certain amount of the project's token in the future. After the campaign period ends, the project takes a snapshot to verify the eligibility and validity of participating wallets, and tokens are then distributed directly to their wallets, or participants may need to claim their tokens. So airdrops can benefit projects and users alike because it rewards early community members while also reducing marketing costs. But on the flip side, airdrops can also make it hard to gauge genuine interest in a project, as airdrops likely inflate user participation who are expecting an airdrop. Additionally, airdrops are sometimes not worth the gas fees or other risks such as rug pulls or exploits for small users, and therefore can be dominated by whales who are able to deploy sizable capital to increase their allocation. The amount that a user can earn is also dependent on the team's decisions, which some may perceive as unfair. But what do you think? Are airdrops worth your time and money? In the meantime, if you're curious to know what happens when crypto is sent to the wrong address, check out this video.